to another Walmart Wednesday. Today I finally have some shorts. Yes, it is that season. And I brought you probably 3 or 4 pairs of shorts. I can't remember. You'll either get them this week or get them next week. I bought enough stuff to make 2 videos for you guys. I am so thrilled with all the new things. We're now going from spring into more summer stuff, which I love. Let's get into it. So I am wearing my stretchy gold bangle bracelets, my stackable scoop rings. You can either stack them like I do or wear them on 2 different fingers. I think I will. I'm starting to swell up a bit. And these are my filigree or gold filigree earrings. That is all, but you guys, look at this shirt before we get into these. This is actually one of the Camis that I talk about constantly from this 5-pack of Camis. So I always think I show the black and white in the photo, but there are many color packs you can get, and this one comes in that. So it was very summery, and it goes with these shorts, and I thought you guys would like it. Let me back up and show you the shorts. Thank you, Time and True, for making the most comfortable pairs of shorts. You guys, these are a small. Look at the room in here. I could absolutely have gotten an extra small, but do I really want to? I don't want tight shorts. Look at, they have pockets. They have sort of a linen feel to them. The elastic waist is so comfy. Now this does have a drawstring, and I was like, well, is it functional? It sort of is. You could pull it a little tighter just in the front. You don't really feel it all the way through. And then I paired everything with my Cognac platform shoes. You guys have seen these before. I will slide one off. I think I've stretched out the back of the strap enough to do that comfortably. Love, love, love these, you guys. And of course, paired everything with my Cognac bag. That matches. It's actually like a baguette. You guys have seen it before. And you guys, I grabbed a denim jacket. So last week we talked about a denim jacket, and I wore it and showed you. It's kind of like a little crop. I have it right here. And it's not from Walmart, but I did find in Link, many of you may have noticed, a very similar little jacket from Time and True. So I will do that this week as well, because this one is my own. Let me back up and show you my look. Oh my goodness, you guys, how cute is this? Are you guys going on vacation, or is it warm by you? This is a great, like, I don't know, dinner with the family, gonna grab ice cream. Cute little outfit, I really think so. Or if you're going to sit and have lunch somewhere on a patio. These shorts aren't too short where when you sit down, it's like you feel like you're sitting in your underwear. You guys know what I'm talking about. Comment below if you're wearing short shorts. They're okay standing, but then you go to sit down and you're like, is there any material here? It's not a good feeling. So Time and True, make sure that does not happen. Can you guys believe it's already getting warm in my bedroom? The sun has been out and this room is heating up. Remember those days? They're finally coming back, although I have to admit, it's like 26 degrees outside, but with the sun beating in, for some reason, it really does tend to heat up in my bedroom. All right, you guys, this is just the first of 5 outfits. Let me get moving. All right, guys, back with my next look. I love this shirt. You guys may remember I showed it to you a while back, and if I have a pic, I will insert it here. I had it in the color pink. It was kind of like a very vibrant pink, and I had to grab it in white, you guys, because I feel like in white, I wouldn't mind wearing it to work, and I feel like it's a little more dressy, kind of less trendy, if that makes any sense. It's by Sofia Vergara. It's a peplum top. Let me fix my little tripod here. And I love it. Let me go over my jewelry quickly. Long diamond earrings, one of my stone rings, my bracelet is the same, and then my nameplate necklace, it says Elizabeth. I love it. And I have to grab my straw bag, you guys. I just did a reel over on Instagram. And one of my new things is I whip my purse. Someone commented on it. I'm like, yeah, that's my new move. So here it is. I will link this for you as well. Let me back up and show you these shorts. You guys, these are Cut-Offs by Time and True. How sweet are they? Size 4. And they're a perfect length, I feel like. I did a little front tuck on the shirt. I will pull it out just to show you. This is the full length in the shirt. When I showed it to you in pink, I was wearing it in a medium. This one is a size small. I don't know. I might actually go back to a medium. I think that was a little more comfortable. Not a huge, huge difference. But I do, it is, by the way, you can tell, lined. It's eyelet. It's adorable, made very well. Thank you, Sophia. We know she knows what's up. But I do like it sort of tucked in because the shorts are kind of short, but not too short. They're kind of perfect. Here's the back. And I got the tag in the way here, but there you go. I think they're kind of perfect. I love them. I am keeping these and I'm going on vacation. They are coming with me. These are more comfortable. Now, you guys are probably like, Liz, don't you have like 100 pairs of cutoffs? Yes, but I like these. Let me put the purse down and show you my favorite shoes because it's become like a joke now. I have to show you these in every video. Clear strap studded sandals by Madden NYC. They're my BFFs. Sorry, not sorry. All right, so this is the complete look. Now, you guys know you can take this blouse, pair it with some black pants and wear it to work. You can take these shorts and make them super casual, put some flat sandals on and wear them over your bathing suit. They're great. If you don't own a pair of cutoff shorts or you feel like, oh, I'm not gonna fit in them or they're gonna be too short on me or she can wear them, I can't, get these shorts. I'm wearing them in a 4. I'm not a huge fan of my own legs. I think I've talked about this before. And then I always say, but I do like my legs because I can walk. And I mean that. I'm not being corny. I really do. So for me, shorts this season is not my favorite, but I put my self tanner on and this is the one I use and I will link it for you because it's fantastic. I will also link there's an exfoliating mitt you use beforehand and like a velvet mitt to apply it. And I was against those two things. I thought they were a waste until last year and now I love them. So I'll link all of that for you. So here's my little bit of advice for wearing shorts if you're not someone who likes to. Get these, start with these. Honestly, these are size 4. So get your true to size or maybe size up 1 if you want to pull them down a little bit. Tan up your legs with the Bondi Sand stuff that I just showed you and just do it. The end. And wear some nude sandals because that definitely elongates your legs. Those are all Liz's little tricks. I think I gave those tricks out a couple of years ago. So honestly do that and then just say to yourself, you look cute and who cares, all right? That's in order. I can get bossy if you want me. All right, one last look at this cute outfit. And again, you can wear each piece separately, including the shoes. You guys know I've worn these shoes with cocktail dresses as well as jeans. So it's entirely up to you. All right, you guys, let me go change into my next look. All right, guys, back with my third look. Look at the tripod, all in the wrong spot here. Hold up, there you go. Anyway, I now have a work dress for you and I have 3 different purses you can choose from. You guys are gonna love this. So I have my Geo Circle earrings on. Don't need a necklace. This button's all the way up. I left a couple buttons open. Now, keep in mind, I did purchase this in store. And when I did, they did not have a size small. I'm wearing a medium because I had to bring it to you guys. It is the perfect, lightweight, easy breezy work dress. You guys are gonna thank me for it. I'm just wearing a couple of my rings, again, from one of the trios of Target rings that I always wear. I think the Hammered collection, it will be linked below. And then also my multicolored bracelet from Target. And these are from there as well. All right, this is a time and true Walmart dress. So let me back up and show you. It has a drawstring, it has these cute buttons. It does come in other colors. When it's hanging on the rack, if you're in the store, it looks like this. My husband was with me when I bought it and I was like, oh, I'm getting that. That's so cute for work. He's like, what? And I literally went like this while it was on the hanger and he goes, oh, okay, yeah, now I see it. So you do want it to fit you properly. It has pockets, you guys. It goes, has a little dip there on the side, a little bit longer in the back. That drawstring is gonna hold you in and give you a nice waist in the back as well. Here it is. It's in a pale, sort of a pale green that I got with these cute like tortoise shell buttons. And again, it does come in other colors, but I wanted to show you all my Louis Vuitton dupe bags because I thought they all go very well with this. This is the tote bag. I believe 2 of them are by the same company, all from Walmart. This one is under $25. By the way, I'm wearing my nude 1-band sandals. I'll put a picture up there for you guys. They go very well with my faux tan legs, you guys. Elongates everything, I promise you. Listen to me. And I also want to show you my Speedy dupe bag. So you got your choice. These are both by the same company from Walmart. Love them both. And then lastly, I think this one's by a different company, but it is a crossbody and it is in the same Louis Vuitton dupe print. So here's this look as well. So it all depends what you like. I wear all 3 all the time. I love all of them. So I thought I'd bring them to you all at once. You guys are probably like, didn't she show that? No, we have 3 of them. And here's the little Louis family. Louis Dupe family. Last name Dupe, first name Louis. I have to make myself laugh, you guys, okay? All right, let me back up and give you one last look of this dress. You can certainly wear a Cognac sandal with these. You can even do black if you choose. I just really feel like this is a great dress to wear to work. I don't care where you work, this is perfect. It doesn't have, you know, nothing is showing, yet you're cool and comfortable. The length is perfect for sitting down. You're not going to be worried that anything's hanging out. It's fantastic. And what is the price? $18.98, you guys, for a staple warm weather dress that you are going to live in this summer, warm weather, wherever you are, I promise. All right, guys, we are still looking at things you can wear to work. So I did change into my little coin necklace. This has Queen Elizabeth on it, my square hoops. What else do I have? I have my gold beaded stretchy bangles and just that hammered ring from Target. Grabbed my gorgeous, can I stress that enough? Bag by Scoop with the gold chain. It's very well made. It's gorgeous. It absolutely is. And I have to laugh because I just made a reel over on Instagram and the song was gorgeous and I was wearing this outfit. This shirt is by Sofia Vergara. It's just your average ribbed with a cute little knot detail right here. V-neck shirt you're gonna wear with everything this summer or spring, I promise. Check out these pants, you guys. How sweet are these? These are by Time and True. They're super high-waisted. They have a button fly all the way up and then they tie. They're sort of in the paper bag style. And then they go straight down. They have a front seam down here. I love the color. You guys remember mustard? I know some of you are cracking right up right now, but it was a 90s color and it is back. Here is the back. It has two pockets. And then again, that gathered stretchy waist up at the top. And this is just another easy work outfit. You look nice, you're on trend, it's summery and cool. I think it's great. By the way, I'm wearing the pants in a size 4 and the shirt. What is the shirt in? Good question. What size is my shirt in? Let's play what size? Small. Anyway, you guys, guess what Walmart finally has back? Do you guys remember these from last year? I was obsessed. Really, I love the pink ones. I was wearing them with everything. They don't have the pink, but they do have these, so I'll make sure. They may have the ivory. I will link these and then you'll be able to see what colors they do have. But I found that I wore these to work the most. So let me back up and show you the outfit one more time. So this black shirt and these black shoes are absolute staples, whether it's for work or going out at night. But these braided sandals are so comfy, you guys. There's barely a heel to them. They're nice and wide. They have a cushioned footbed. You're gonna love them. I also find that these pants are pretty comfortable as well. So make sure you get these, and they do have other colors in the pants if this, you know, just isn't yours. And yes, they have black, but I resisted because I love you guys. All right, let me come out with my last look and then we're gonna get to this lip combo. All right, guys, back with my next look, and I took this little pair of shorts and I'm actually proud of the styling that I completed with these shorts. Let's start from the top here. Long diamond earrings. I'm wearing my small gold medallion necklace, still with the same ring and bracelets, but I did grab, if you haven't gotten this, get it, my Rachel something, I can't think of her last name. She's like a designer, but she had a few things at Walmart, and she does design for Macy's as well. This is gorgeous. It goes with everything and comes in red as well. If you guys want a little pop of color this summer, that would be cute. I love it. It's very well made. I think it's on clearance for $20. Here's the name, Rachel Zoe. How could I not think of it? Rachel Zoe. Anyway, okay, small gold medallion necklace. I gotta go layer by layer. I have too much to tell you. This is my scuba blazer. You can't blame me for having a hard time with that one. And it's got the scrunch sleeves. It's jersey material. I told you I wear it all summer with my shorts, and guess what I'm wearing? Pair of shorts by Time and True, you guys. These are so comfy. They're just your average khaki shorts. I'll show you them completely in a second. Again, in a size 4, they're called the utility short. No big deal, but look how I dressed them up. I am ready to go to dinner in these comfy little utility shorts that were, do I have a price on here? I don't, but I guarantee you they were under $15. So this is the way to do it. Sometimes it is all in the styling. Blazers are great for that, you guys. All right, underneath, I am wearing my fave lately. You guys know I have different faves. I'm looking out the window. I thought someone was coming up the driveway. This is my body contour blazer from Express. It snatches you in, but it's not too tight. I just showed it to you in my Express haul, and I'll be doing another Express haul. I go in waves with Express. Sometimes I'm not super into what they're showing, but I always circle back because they are an old fave of mine. Anyway, this is the body contour line. They have tons of sales and coupon codes. Sign up for Express Insider if you have not, and then you'll get a discount and you can get this and whatever else I show you from there. But this one's a great one. I'm wearing it in a small. I paired it with the shorts, you guys, and everything's just so dressed up. It's amazing. Clear strap shoes. I won't bring them up here. Clear studded strap shoes. That should be embedded in everyone's head. And then when you put this blazer on, it just honestly, and then grab a cute bag, dresses up this entire look. And again, you're wearing a very inexpensive pair of shorts. Here's the back of the shorts. They have belt loops, but they are super stretchy. And then they have these cute little, typical of utility shorts, pockets right there. They are cuffed. They're gorgeous. They come in other colors. I think they even have a pink pair. Make sure you got them. Do you guys love? Comment below and let me know what you think of how I dressed up the shorts. I know it's sometimes when you hear blazer and shorts, but this is how it looks, and you really and truly can make it work. All right, let's get to today's lip combo. Okay, I'm coming in with NYX, and this is that really pigmented Magic Maker is the name, the lip liner that's very, very pigmented. So you'll see that I'm wearing a light lipstick, but this lip liner, you know my stuff's always a mess, don't make fun of me, is dark and pigmented. Watch. See how it's coming through? I love bringing it up a little to blend it, top and bottom. And then you'll see that I really did come in with sort of a light lipstick. This is Bare It All by Revlon. Very pretty. Love, love, love. Juicy lips. And then lastly, I came in and I need a new one of these. This is Ice Lifter Gloss by Maybelline in the color Ice. Just in the center there. This one I love because it has hyaluronic acid and it really does feel like it moisturizes very well. All right, you guys, that is all for today's Walmart Wednesday. Let me know in the comments down below if you'll be getting anything and what you liked, what is your favorite. Also, let me know what you guys want to see. I do have a few outfits already for my next haul, but let me know, is there anything from Walmart you want to see? Are we sticking with clothes? Do you want just a shoes haul? Although I don't think I can do that. I don't know if I have enough. That would be kind of boring too. Just let me know. You guys tell me. I won't give any suggestions. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Hope you all have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.